Hey, I'm Rachel Ngom from she'smakinganimpact.com, and today let's talk about where are the best places to market outside of social media. So, there's Facebook and Instagram and all these places that you could market your products or services. What are some other ways that you could potentially market your products and services? So blogging is really going to be my number one suggestion outside of social media. You could drive social media traffic to your blog, but by having your content and just having a home base, it's so much smarter than trying to get people engaged on your social media posts. And so we put everything we do on our blog, and then we drive traffic there from Pinterest and from Google. And by doing these two things, by using search engine optimization on Pinterest and Google, we're getting traffic on a daily basis without having to post on social media every single day, because Pinterest and Google, it's evergreen basically. And so it keeps working for you over time, even when you're not really posting at that moment, which is really cool. So think about your blog as your home base. That's where you want to build your email list. What I see a lot of people do is sending people to their Facebook or their YouTube or all these other places. And I want you to think, if you're sending people there, what's going to happen? They're most likely going to get distracted and they're going to end up going to their ex-boyfriend's Facebook page and stalking their pictures or just something, like looking at their best friend's vacation pictures from last year. I don't know, but they're going to get distracted. And the main goal of your blog should be to build your email list. And so getting traffic from Pinterest, from Google to your blog to get them on your email list, when you do that, your business will grow. So that would be my main recommendation for you to build your business outside of other social media platforms. If you want to learn how to use Pinterest more effectively, you can sign up for my free Pinterest masterclass. Just go to freepinterestclass.com and I'll see you in the next video.